Let's take a look at PTV Hub's dashboards, your ultimate solution for project insights and analytics. Take advantage of the dashboards included in your PTV Hub subscription. Customizable dashboards provide you with the ability to create and share personalized maps and animations, visualize key metrics with charts and tables, and make insightful comments with collaboration. Tailor your dashboards to suit your needs, and enhance the decision-making on your projects with stunning visuals that tell a story. With dashboards, summarize and present PTV VZoom and VSIM results, explore model comparisons, and share simulations on interactive dashboards. Intuitively show travel patterns with origin-destination pairs, and utilize tables and pie charts to highlight your key project points. Demonstrate your design details with built-in VSIM animations. Also, compare scenario results with side-by-side VSIM networks. Summarize your findings with even more charts and tables. Add filter controllers to seamlessly step through VSIM's analysis times, simulation runs, and vehicle classes. And dive into VZoom demand stratums or transport systems. These controls ensure that you have the flexibility to explain the toughest questions. Invite your internal team members and stakeholders to collaborate, or engage the public with shared links for broader involvement. Collect comments, share maps with team members and stakeholders, and share dashboards with the public, and foster a collaborative environment. Elevate your projects with PTV Hub dashboards, where data meets insight. Start your journey towards smarter decision-making today. Learn more about PTV Hub, coming up next.